So hello mga madi. For the first time I did it. Yeah, for the first time ako ra ang nisundo sa mga kido kay si Alan tuwa sa balay nag-bake siya og banana cake. So medyo busy ang atong kabayo, so ako na lang nisundo sa mga kido. Sayo ko ni Ari kay para dili traffic, para in my first time driver, as a driver, you know. So ato nang minimize tarot ang ka sa minimize. So atong i-aware ang atong kaugalingon nga pag alas 4 na gani, so medyo busy, so medyo taas ang ato ang rate sa rattleness. Nadali ra ba kay tama rattleness, no, kay hingapi bayata. So morning ngari pa lang alas 3 pa lang, alas 3:30 di anak ko sa school. So magwaiting na lang ko sa mga kido nga mugawas. Ayan na sila sa nagplay pa sila sa likod, di ba? So ang kulvaness grabe mga madi. So pero at least I did it. I'm very proud of myself. Charan. Pero halata gid niyo ang stress kay ang pimple ni badi buhi kayo. Yes. Sige laban. Andito na si Clarky. So, i-ano natin kung ano yung reaction niya.
Wait, really? Really? You drive by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Close the door, please.
Okay.
Really?
Of course.
You're sweating though. You change your clothes?
I will.
Okay.
Oh, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
So the dirty clothes that you wore earlier,
It's in
you
my
take it
bag.
off take it out in the bag, huh? So I can wash.
Okay.
I will-
Take it all on.
Yeah. Eh, nandito na naman si Kuya, so magtatago ako. Bumalik siya. Bumalik siya sa eskwelahan. At for sure, sinabihan na yun ni Clarky kasi actually mga madi, si Clarky is certified Marites also. So, for sure, gisultian na ni Kuya nga ako ang nag-drive. Babalik na sila. Kaya pala bumalik si Kuya sa classroom niya kasi naiwan niya yung kanyang lunchbox. Yeah, kaya pala. So ayan, nandito na silang dalawa. Pero mamaya pa kami aalis kasi marami pang sasakyan dito nakaparking. So hindi ako komportableng mag-back up. So nandito na sila. Ayan, nandito na sila.
Excuse me, where's Daddy? We don't want to die alone. Good
Hoy,
thing
Kuya.
she survived. I'm so sorry. But good thing she...
You wanna sit down in front?
Me,
No,
thanks.
no.
For me.
Okay, you just when I start driving, boys, you have to keep your mouth shut, okay? Just play in your tablet or your phone or whatever you have, what gadget you have, okay?
Alright. Alright, just let's see how you do it. How you make it alive.
Ay,
I'm
Jesus,
sorry.
Kuya.
Okay, let's go.
It's not a joke. Good
I don't have any
joke.
more water.
No, we just wait for a bit, Kuya.
For what?
Because there's a lot of kiddo in there, so I'm scared. Okay, so let's go. Dumating na kami dito mga Jai.
We survived! Thanks all to Mommy.
Yep.
Mommy's
So-
driving skills are pro.
Like what?
Not that unpart.
Unpun.
Did that?
So, gira. Hi, Maya! lang.
made it out alive.
No.
That's what I said.
Let's go today. You.
So, tadan.
Yeah,
Ito lang.
okay.
It was amazing. I have a easy all the way to school, but I have a hard time in backing up because when I arrive in the school, I just sweat it up and then park. But I don't know how to. I don't know how to.
Three-way.
I know, and then okay.
Son,
That was amazing. Ah!
you're gonna do it? You're gonna take a video of him?
Yeah.
Okay, over there.
See, you can.
Lie down.
So, naa siya package. At ipakita ni package. Wait, sana. Ayan, naa siya package. Oh, that was kind of big.
That's bigger than the one I thought.
Yeah, that's bigger than Kuya.
Wait, is that from BTS? No.
Yes. No, it's Korean, it says.
Excuse me.
Is that okay?
That is from BTS. The blue
Where did you get yours, Kuya? Like this?
from
This,
BTS.
the small. Who gave it to you?
Daddy.
Ah, okay. I never saw that.
Are you happy with that?
Bag.
What?
What is this? I thought
It's supposed to be in the car.
I thought it was from my bag.
That's all for today's video, guys. Satisfied si Oka. Yes, sa akong first ever
Driving by yourself.
driving by myself. I am so happy and proud of myself. Tada! And I'm,
And relieved.
and relieved. Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.